Today I will teach you how to change mixed numbers to improper fractions. I have here mixed numbers. First is 4 and 1/2. How are we going to change 4 and 1/2 to mixed numbers? First is we are going to multiply denominator to the whole number. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 will be our numerator. And then just copy the denominator too. Next, 5 and 2/3. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Copy 3. So, 17/3. Next is 7 and 1/2. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Copy the denominator too. So the answer is 15 and 15/2. Next is 2 and 3/4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3, that's 11. And then copy 4. So 11/4 is the answer. Next is 6 and 4/5. 5 times 6 is 30. Plus 4, that's 34. Copy 5. So the answer is 34/5. Okay, I have here another mixed numbers. Try to answer this. Change these mixed numbers to improper fractions. Let's see if you learn the lesson that I Okay, let us compare your answer if it's correct. Did you get it right? Congratulations! That's it. Thank you. For more math lessons, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.